Hi everybody, Trucker Randy H here, doing a little um, outside my truck here. How you doing today? Take about half an hour break right now. I'm actually going to go home for a few hours. I am in Florida. We made it all the way from California to Florida in 2 days because we are good. Real feel. Let me see if I can just real quick and hold on. I'm gonna just back up here a little bit. Gosh, look at this shirt. Look at how loose it is. It's a tent, but it's a good tent because it's not that temptation. It's a loose tent. This shirt would have been. This is a 4X. This shirt wouldn't even fit me 6 months ago. There's no way. There's no way I'd be able to fit that. Oh, I gotta do something for somebody. Hold on, man. Hold on. We're gonna dab it out. That's for somebody. Go Team Oh Man. Like I said, you got to exercise to have fun. Skip. I'm going home in a couple hours. I may go buy me a hula hoop. I don't know. I ain't gonna stay home for that long though. That's the problem. It's more windy on this side. Got a few things to go over today. Okay. I have like a weight loss toolbox, I call it, and I got like 5 or 6 things in that toolbox. Of course, we got eating correctly, eating good calories, your macros. I got my fats, carbs, proteins, fruits, vegetables. Another tool is drinking water or black coffee. That's 2 tools. Another tool I have is exercising. That's 3 tools. And the latest tool I put in there as of a couple months ago was OMAD. That's another tool. And, well, another tool is not to be stressed out all the time. If you're stressed out, you're going to gain weight. That's all it is to it. If you have a hard time going to sleep, here's a little experiment for me. What I want you to do right now is think of the worst, like the most stressful thing you have in your life right now. Is it your bills? Is it your family? Is it you're behind on your car payment? Now just think of that. Think of the worst stressful thing you got right now in your life. I'm going to do something. Take that stress away. You ain't even going to think about it in 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. What were you thinking about? Well, you know what you were thinking about, but while I was doing that, you weren't thinking about it. You were thinking about me going 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. If you need to fall asleep, you do that. It's like a pendulum going swinging back and forth. You just say 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. For one, you can't think of what you're stressing about. It shuts off your mind where you can't think what you're thinking about. You try it, later on, whatever, when you're done watching this video. Just try to go 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. You can't think of nothing else but doing that. It's a very good tool I use. So those are 5 things I have in my toolbox. I probably could think of more eventually. A keto diet or I'm thinking about keto. I don't know. I think I kind of do a version of that anyways. I mean, since I only eat one meal a day, I'm in ketosis probably 8 hours a day anyways. So what's the difference if I do ketone diet? It's a ketone diet. Keto is I can eat all day long. Then you want to do a ketone diet. So shut your mind down. You don't want your mind running 24 hours a day. You want your mind to really be, I think that really helps. Alright, I got some wacky stuff today. I hope you'll be able to see this and hear it. I'm down, I don't know if this scale was right this morning, but, oh shit, it's probably over here. But it said I was 292. And if I was 292, I lost another pound, I'd be down 95 pounds. I mean, that'd be great. I mean, I had my clothes on, my jacket on. I think I'm done with plateauing, and I'm losing weight like a pound a day nowadays. I got some memes here about, losing weight and people that are overweight. This one here, it says, the best thing about my job is the health benefits. It's a heavy set trucker. That's it's got a little belly. And I downloaded some more too, but I guess that's the only one I have right now. The best thing about my job is the health benefits, and this guy is definitely needs to go on OMAD, and I will help him if he calls me. Oh, it's only been 7 minutes. I did have some other stuff down. I guess it didn't go tomorrow. But positivity. I'm a positive person. Trucks are loud. These damn trucks. This is my beautiful truck. I do a reefer unit. That means a refrigerator unit. Refrigerator unit needs to be on 32 degrees. It's on 37, but that's okay. My truck definitely needs a wash. It's, hi. How you doing? So, I am still on OMAD. I am hungry as heck right now. But I am waiting until 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time to eat. And I feel great. I could jog in place. I could swing around. I could walk on sunshine. Oh, whoa. And it kind of feels good. So, go Team OMAD. I might post a video. I'm going to go home tonight. I'm going to be with my family. So, I might post another video if we're doing something fun. And, I like you. I love you. I want less of you. Make it hurt. Drill Sergeant, make it hurt. Peace, love. Peace, love. Peace, love. And say it with me. Go Team OMAD.